Yo, Eternal Smoke TV here. It's your boy, Joe. I got my guy, Jay.
And we're taking over DMZ town. It's Eternal Smoke now. You know what I mean?
Yo, what the hell's going on here?
Yo, you have pizza again, right?
DeMarco, we're just here eating some pizza, bro.
I was just, I was just grabbing a slice.
We got you something. You want something?
It's your boy DeMarco. Now, I got the Eternal Smoke family with us here. They tried to take over DMZ TV, but it's all love here in DMZ TV studios, baby. Now, I got some amazing products in front of us. Joe, tell us a little bit about what's in front of us.
Yeah, DeMarco, bro. We actually brought over our 50-gram bundles. The bundles are 250 total grams for each line that we carry. So we have the Cool series.
So cool.
We got the Romance line.
So romantic.
And then we got the Mix series. We got the Extreme series.
That's extreme.
We got the Enjoy series.
Ooh.
And we got our Guess What series.
Do I have to guess?
Yes, man.
Oh, shit.
It's a surprise.
Now, how long you guys been running so far, like operating?
Yeah, so we've been working on the tobacco for about 4 years. And when we started actually like going into like social media and trying to sell about 4 or 5 months ago.
Nice, nice. So you guys just like try to perfect everything and just hit the ground and started running?
Yeah, man, we didn't want to come out with something like subpar. We made sure everything was perfect, our packaging, our cut, our flavor, everything.
It's beautiful. Now you guys are based in Florida, right?
Yes, we are home base Orlando, Florida.
Hey.
We also
Florida, baby.
Hey, Florida gang. We also have our international side though, so our warehouse and all our manufacturing is done out of Turkey.
Nah. Oh, you guys are it's manufactured in Turkey.
Yeah, we got our whole team over there. They've been cheeching it up, mixing it up, all our stuff.
Sheesh. I see you got some samples over here, right?
Yeah, man, I want to show off some stuff people might be sleeping on. We're still pretty new, so you know everybody talking about that milk cookies. They're talking about that lime lit and stuff like that. But I want to show off. We got some Choco Dream right here.
Nice. Little chocolate in
a little
there.
chocolate milkshake,
That's
or chocolate milk, actually. We got Houdini's Secret.
Ooh, I wonder what the secret is.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Alright, you got Rose, you got Guava, and you got Melon.
Ooh, it's not a secret anymore.
And we got probably one of my favorite ones, Fruity Bubble.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's just like gonna put a quarter in the gumball machine. You get that same
that
taste,
sounds so fire.
except it lasts a lot longer. And last up, Energy Bolt.
Oh, for the energy drink lovers.
Yeah, man, you got those energy drinks.
That's what I'm talking about. I can smell this from here. What we got right here?
This one in front of me is actually the Red Lips. That's a strawberry milkshake.
Ooh, brings all the boys to the yard. That's a nice cut. What?
Yeah, let me show this off, man. Like I said, we worked about 4 years getting this fine chopped blonde tobacco in there.
That's just how I like my tobacco.
Not too juicy. Not too sticky.
The juice content is perfect. Lovely, lovely. Let me get a smell. Let me get a whiff of that. Ooh. Don't sleep. Don't sleep.
Yeah, let me show off the package a little bit more. So this one I got opened up already, but when you guys pick it up, it's gonna come in this nice little bag right here.
Nice, no leakage.
And the really nice dope thing about it, put it back in the container,
Seals
seal it up,
boom, airtight.
keep it fresh.
Oh yes. Now we got 2 bowls packed right now full of Eternal. You know what time it is? It's smoke check, baby. Now over here we got the Smoothie Sunshine. Smoothie Sunshine it is. Let me take a rip of that after you, sir. Now this is we're rocking the Dusha today for all the douches. We got the ST bowl with the Cloud Lotus HMD on top. You know how we rock, baby, blacked out. Oh, that smells divine. Let me take a quick rip. Wow. I'm getting mango, strawberry.
Yep.
Damn, good. Smoothie Sunshine. That's delicious. That's amazing. Now, guys, over here we have the Blue Lit. The Blue Lit, right?
Yeah.
Blue Lit here. We're rocking the Robusto 500 prototype from Mia. Yes, sir. It's a behemoth. Got the Don Evo bowl with the Ignis HMD on top. Let's rip. Wow. That's like blueberry?
Yeah, blueberry with that nice chill effect.
Like chill. Is that mint in there or just?
It's just straight ice.
Oh my god, it's like a brain freeze. One big cloud, one big rip. Let's see what you got, Joe. Ooh. DMZ TV X Eternal Smoke family, baby. Now, where can the viewers find the products, guys?
We're in a bunch of different places. Best way to do it is go to Eternal Smoke / where to get it. You can see everybody on that page.
Nice. Social media?
Social media, also pretty simple. Just Eternal SMK on Instagram and Facebook. And then you can find us also on YouTube, Eternal Smoke.
Hey, it's lit. Now, you guys have any final words you guys want to say to the fans out there?
Man, I love all our fans. Mad respect to everybody who came out to the expo. Everybody who's been giving us love on social media. You guys are amazing.
Nice, guys. Now, you guys know the drill. Smash that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget the bell at the top for all the latest notifications, guys. Now, it's your boy DeMarco.
It's your boy Joe.
And your boy Jay.
And we are out.